how to show any Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see any Wi-Fi password using the QR code on your mobile phone. This method works best on both iOS and Android. So no matter what kind of phone you have, I've got you covered. If you've been struggling to find a way to view any Wi-Fi password, your search ends here. Just follow these simple steps I will be showing you. I'm going to walk you through two different methods to view any Wi-Fi password. For the first method, head over to your phone settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to see the password. Next, look for the QR code icon. It should be next to the network name. Click on it. Then you take a screenshot of the QR code that appears. Once you've taken the screenshot, minimize your settings and open the Google app. Tap on the Google Lens icon right next to the search bar. Then you select the screenshot of the QR code you took. Google Lens will quickly read the QR code and show you the Wi-Fi name, password, and network type. It's a super fast and handy way to get the information you need. For the second method, if Google Lens isn't your thing, don't worry, here's another way. Open your favorite browser. I'll use Chrome in this example. Search for Zeek Sing. I've put the link in the video description for you. On the website, you'll see an option to upload your screenshot. Go ahead and do that, then hit submit. The site will scan the QR code and reveal the Wi-Fi name and password. This is a great alternative if you prefer using a website over an app. And that's it. With these methods, you can easily see any Wi-Fi password using the QR code. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.